Alright, good morning. Day before Thanksgiving. You know the drill. Except I got the wrong keys. Fuck. Oh. Hills are starting to lose some of its yellow. See there? It's green. Part of the cycle again. Right now it's like brownish, greenish, I guess you could say, but there we go. Oh, no. God damn. It's cold. Fuck. Oh. Yeah, you couldn't see, but even when I breathe for the first few seconds in here, it's like fucking, I don't know, you can see like the breath clot and such. Sorry if I'm talking weirdly. The fucking bottom row of my teeth is sore because I fucked up my retainer. Oh, come on, you've got to be fucking kidding me. Come on, no. Oh, okay.
To miss your favorite SiriusXM programs or commercial-free music. Find the SiriusXM app in the App Store or call 844-711-8800 or visit SiriusXM.com.
Nothing is working.
To find out more.
Alright, I got a jacket. No worries. No. This is just 2 minutes before. 2 fucking minutes before. No. Thank you.
Conversation with Cardinal Dolan. Tuesdays at 2 p.m. East. SiriusXM 129.
To hear the Catholic channel, activate your radio now. Call 844-711-8800 or go to SiriusXM.com/go to sign up quickly.
This is a test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test.
Seems they forgot the message this time. What the fuck?
Because you leave town doesn't mean you should go with.
Now all we have left is LOX. Or no other AO. I don't know. I'm going to slow later today, but I don't know if it's going to be at 11 a.m. or not. Fuck. That scene failed miserably.
This is the weekly test of the new weather radio warning device. Weather service on every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If severe weather possible, the test will be postponed to the next good weather day. The warning alarm is active. Following counties: Santa Barbara, Ventura, and Los Angeles counties, and adjacent coastal waters.